Hello, I'm Takum from Tutorium again, and this is part 2 of how to create a Discord bot. Um, Today, this video, you're gonna learn how to create simple commands. What fun! Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is say here client dot on message, and then shoot message. No, there. Now it should be good, and then just enter here. What this does, it tests for when a message is sent, and then basically all the commands will be in here. Okay, just keep that in mind when you're doing literally anything. Okay, like commands in here. Okay, now what you're gonna do is the simplest command I can think of. Gonna do is if message dot content equals ping, then message dot reply pong. Yeah. So basically, what this does is it tests to see if the message content equals ping, and then it will reply with pong. And let's test it out here. Ping, and it replies with pong. Now, if you don't feel like having it say, "Yo, pong," like while pinging you, you can just have it message dot channel dot send, and then pong, and then when you do ping, it says pong. So that's like a pretty basic command. Now, you can create any command that responds with anything by using this. So message dot content equals like I don't know, like potato. Message dot reply the banana. Now when you do potato, it says banana. That's pretty useful. But what if when I want to change the prefix to something like dot, I don't want to keep going back and changing it in every single thing. So you make sure this part is above, not in, but above the command section. Actually, it doesn't really matter, but this just keeps it more organized. And say let prefix equals just, I don't know, like if you want the prefix to be this can be the prefix. That's completely okay. That's a-okay. And then instead of having it if message.content equals this, you can say prefix plus ping, delete this, and now do the same for this, prefix plus potato. Now when I go into here and do ping, it says pong. Potato, it says banana. That's really useful in a lot of cases. Okay, now that's just basic commands. You can do a lot. Well, no, you can't do a lot, but you can kind of see how to do this now. The reason you want it to message a user separately, another way of saying it, instead of just replying, you can have it message.author.send banana or whatever you want, and you can potato, and then it should work. Yep, there we go. Banana. Thanks. Wait. Not what I meant. Okay, there. Perfect. Un perfecto. Now, uh, yeah, that's what you can do. And then if you want to have this to be like a function, instead of just having it like message, it's too much work. Just create a new function. Uh, yeah, you can call it command is. I just pasted it here, and have it return so function command is string command message, return message msg. You can have this, it's what's here, content dot two lowercase. Okay, so why it says two lowercase is because that you want it to, so no matter how, like if they have it in all uppercase, it will still do the command properly. Because right now if I were to do ping like that, it doesn't respond. And if I were to have it like this, then and then it starts with unless instead of equals. This can be helpful, like if you want an echo command to just repeat what you just said, then you'd use this. And then this is also just a lot easier. So if command is ping, and then after this you type message comma message, because it's also testing for the message, and that's there. And then when you do ping, you can also say ping. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. And then another thing you might want to do is args, which are come useful. So basically what args are is like if I were to do ping args, stuff here would be considered the args. So that comes really useful. So let's define the args as this for now. Const args equals, this won't work if your prefix is longer than 2 characters. I'll get more into that later. But basically, it's message.content.split space slice 1 and join space. This splits it for every space, slices it for 1, and then joins it as space. Like that's what it says. And now if command is echo message.channel.send. Whoops. Send. And then now if you do echo, this is the Misagi's, it repeats. So that's basically just simple commands. You can mess around with this and do what you want with it for now. I'll get later in depth with it in the future, I guess. But yeah, that's about it for now.